Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and a fresh backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, close all forms and save vouchers so nothing is locked. Next, open Gateway of Tally and check the displayed current date and company period. Make sure the target date falls inside your financial year or note adjustments required. Now go to the top right date field and prepare to change it by keyboard or mouse. You will learn the exact steps next. You press Alt plus F2 and enter the new date in DDMMEI. This sets the session date immediately. After changing, make sure to save any vouchers you create in that session and avoid mixing dates across pending entries. Then run Daybook and Balance Sheet to confirm totals reflect the update. If you see mispostings, undo recent vouchers or correct dates. Also, make sure voucher numbering and stock valuation remain consistent. You finish by returning the session to the correct date, again using Alt plus F2, so daily users are not affected. Once done, run profit and loss and trial balance for the affected period to verify balances. Use date filters to isolate entries. If reports mismatch, reconcile by reviewing ledger-wise entries and correcting any wrongly dated vouchers. If you encounter access or corruption problems, stop. Restore the backup you made earlier and repeat the controlled steps with proper admin rights to avoid further issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.